Hello students, welcome back all of you. So students, in my previous video I explained you 4 types of sentences on the basis of their function. Now today I am going to explain you the same topic, and again we are going to learn about parts of sentences. But now those parts of sentences are classified according to their structure. So the sentence is classified into 3 different parts. First is simple sentence, second is compound sentence, and third is complex sentence. So students, now I am going to discuss the first one, which is simple sentence. So let's start. So first, simple sentence. Simple sentence contains only one principal or main clause. It has only one subject and one finite verb. So students, always remember one very important point, that if a sentence is simple, then it has only one subject and one finite verb. Alright, like Ankita is a very charming girl. So here only one subject is given, which is Ankita, and one finite verb is given, which is. Similarly, in second sentence you can see, my dress has become dirty. So here one subject is given, which is my dress, and one finite verb is given, which is has. So these sentences are called simple sentence because there is only one subject and one finite verb in both the sentences. Then come to next, compound sentences. Now compound sentences contain two or more principal or main clauses joined together by coordinating conjunction. So students, if two sentences or two or more sentences are joined with coordinating conjunction, means coordinating conjunctions are what? If we are using these words, here I have written for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So better learn these words. If any sentence is joined with these words, then that particular sentence is called compound sentence. Why? Because we are using coordinating conjunction. So you can see the example also. We went to the market, but the shops were closed. So here we are using the word but, and but is coordinating conjunction. So this particular sentence is called compound sentence. Alright. So you all will have to learn these words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These words are used as coordinating conjunction, and if any sentence is joined with these words, then that particular sentence is called compound sentence. Now last is complex sentence. Complex sentence is made up of one principal clause or main clause. Principal clause or main clause have same meaning, and one or more dependent or subordinate clause joined together by subordinating conjunction. So compound sentence में what we used to do? We used to join it with coordinating conjunction. But complex sentence we have to join it with subordinating conjunction. So now I am going to show you few subordinating conjunction, or the most commonly used subordinating conjunction, which you will have to learn, and then I will continue. So here you can see, from here subordinating conjunctions are shown, like then, whatever, which, whichever, because, after, as soon as long as, before, by the time, now, that, once, since, till, until, when, whenever, while, though, although, etc. Apart from this, there are various other subordinating conjunction also, but these are the most commonly used subordinating conjunction. So students, in this complex sentence, one sentence depends upon the other sentence in order to complete its meaning, and it is joined with subordinating conjunction. Like example, you can see, I was punished. Why I was punished? Because I was late. So this is the main clause, this is subordinating conjunction, and this is subordinate clause which is depend upon main clause. So this is called complex sentence. So students, this is the chapter. I hope you all have understood this chapter, and I want you all to go through all these kinds of sentences once again. These are the kinds of sentences which are classified on the basis of their function, and these are the kinds of sentences which are classified on the basis of their structure. So practice at least 4 or 5 sentences on each kinds, then it will be easy for you to do the things. And I want you to try this exercise yourself. Then we will do this exercise in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Have a nice day.